Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by turning on mobile data and opening the connections or network and internet settings. This prepares the phone to share its connection. Next, you enable mobile hotspot and set a clear SSID and strong password so others can join securely. Make sure you pick the correct AP band if your Samsung offers 4 GHz versus 5 GHz because range and speed behave differently. Once done, leave the hotspot page open to adjust options quickly. You now refine settings to control access and performance. Set security to WPA2 or WPA3 and enter a strong password so strangers cannot use your data. Then limit the maximum connections to prevent overcrowding and enable power saving to reduce battery drain when idle. If you want convenience, generate a QR code or use Bluetooth tethering so devices can join without typing. Make sure to monitor data usage and carrier limits. You finish by connecting devices. On the laptop or tablet, choose your SSID and enter the password you created. If a device cannot access the internet, first toggle mobile data and the hotspot off then on. This often restores routing. If problems persist, restart your Samsung, verify the carrier's tethering allowance, and check the APN settings because an incorrect APN can block shared internet. As a final key tip, try switching bands between 2, 4, and 5 GHz to resolve compatibility or range issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.